guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have my everyday slash school makeup, and I know I've done it before, but it was like a year ago, and since then my makeup has changed a lot, so I thought it was a good time to make another video. And I'm sorry that I look so tired, but it's like 7 a.m. right now and I just woke up and I'm gonna get ready for school. And by the way, I just want to say that we finally got a new ring light and I'm so excited. Okay, so anyways, before we start with the video, I just want to say, if you're not subscribed yet, then go do so and give me a like and give me a comment, and yeah, let's get on with the video. So the first thing that I always do is like prep my face for all the makeup. So I use the Andrea.rodriguez rose water. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. And I just spray all of my face. And then I just let it dry, and I have one of these little fans or whatever they're called. So that's what I first do. And then the second step is I prime my face, and I always use two primers. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer, and then this one is the NYX Pore Filler Primer. And this one I only used in like this part where I have all my pores because they're really visible and I don't like them. So we're gonna try to make them go away. And this one I used all over my face. I just get some on the back of my hand, like that, and then I dab it all over my face. So after all my primer is done, I usually go straight for my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia, I don't know if you guys can see, the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and I use it in the color Burn. And then to fill them in, I use the e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush, which has the spoolie on one side and then the little brush on the other side. And then to carve them out, I use the Photo Focus concealer from Wet n Wild, this one, in the color light medium beige. And then I use this little brush that I got a long time ago from a set that I bought from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken, but yeah, it's just a little flat brush. So I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows off camera just because they're really hard to do on camera because I have to be super close to a mirror. So I'll be back with my eyebrows done. Now that I have my eyebrows done, I move on to my foundation, and for that I use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the color 05 Warm Beige. This is the one that I use. And then I usually just pumped one pump in the back of my hand like this. I think that's enough. And then I use this brush. It's the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. And then again, I just dab the makeup on my face. Sorry, it's because I have a lot of mess here.
Switch his eyes, I swear this is where you reside,
Now I'm moving on to concealer, and the one that I use is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I have it in the shade light medium. I don't think you guys are going to be able to see it, but it says light medium. And yeah, let's put it all over her face. And then I just use my beauty sponge from Real Techniques. Next step is to bake my face. I usually bake, well, where you supposed to bake, which is under the eyes, the forehead. I do it on my nose and then on my chin. And the powder that I use is the Airspun Loose Face Powder, this one. And I use it in translucent. And then I just, so I have some right here. And then I use this other sponge from Real Techniques, and it's all dirty, so so yeah, let's see if you guys can see me. Move you guys over here. So I have my mirror right here, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm trying to do, or I'm doing. Okay, so while that's baking, I usually apply my lashes, and the lashes that I wear are these ones, and I got them from Wish. So if I can do it, like if I can find the link and like put it on the description box, I'll try to do that, because I don't know how it works with like Wish, but yeah, I'll try to link them below. But that's how they look like. They're super pretty, and they were so inexpensive. I think it's, I don't know if it's $2 or $3 for the lashes, but yeah, they're super inexpensive, and they come with 5, and they're the lashes that I use. I don't even know the brand. It's Magical Angel Beautiful Eyelash, something like that. That's how it says. It says like I want to say beautiful, but it's just beautiful eyelash. So I don't know, but these are the lashes, I'm sorry, that I use. So also I'm not gonna apply them on camera because it's really hard to put lashes on. So I'm gonna put them on and I'll come back to wipe the powder off. Okay, so I have my lashes on. This is how they look like. They look so pretty. So these are the lashes, and now I'm gonna wipe all the powder off. And for that I use the Real Techniques Multitask Cheek Brush. This is how it looks like, and I think it was limited edition, like the packaging, but you can find the actual brush in like the normal, you know, Real Techniques brushes that they have. It's not really limited edition, it's just a packaging. But this one is the one that I use. I use this one, and then I use a bigger one, this one that I got from my local boutique, I wanna say, can't remember, but yeah, that's how it looks like. and it's just a big fluffy brush. And first, this one I use to wipe the powder under my eye. Use more powder, that way I don't have to apply more powder and have the rest of looking dry or cakey. So I just use the excess of the bake. Okay, so now that that's done, I usually just do my blush, and the one that I use is from Wet n Wild. I have a lot of, I wear a lot of Wet n Wild stuff because they're amazing. So this is the little blush, is the color Icon blush, and I have it in Mellow Wine. It's like a really dark orangey peachy color, which I like. It looks really pretty on the face. And I use it with another e.l.f. brush, and if I'm not mistaken, this is the blush brush, I think. Can't remember. I got it a long time and it doesn't have a name. So just get a little bit, and then I just smile so I can see the apples of my cheeks. And then for my highlight, I use this Smashbox Spotlight palette, Pearl and Pearl. It just says Pearl. It says Smashbox Spotlight palette, Pearl palette, Illumina, something like that. I don't even know how to pronounce that word. But this is the little trio that I use for my highlight. As you can see. Hard to show. Okay, there you go. Oh my god. What the hell? It almost fell off the thing. Okay, so I'm scared to show it. But I usually use these two highlights. I use a mix of both, and they're like a pinkish color. And then this one is just like a more champagne color, but I don't really use that one. I usually do, I wear this too. And I think this is Turn It On Pearl. And then this one is Crank It Up Pearl. Wow, okay. What a weird names. But yeah, I'm just gonna get some. And then just apply it on the top of my cheekbones. Okay, so now that I have my highlight on, I bronze, and then for my bronzer I use the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. And I use the e.l.f. Flawless Base Brush, this one. And we're just gonna do some product. Well, I actually do this, that's weird, but yeah, that's what I do. I'm gonna just... So then I move on. After I have my bronzer, my blush, everything, I just do my eyelashes, my bottom lashes, and apply some black liner. So the mascara that I use is the Essence The False Lashes Mascara String Volume Curl. which is really good. I really recommend it. And then for the black eyeliner, I used the Wet n Wild. I don't know what's the name of it because it rubbed off, but I just know it's from Wet n Wild. So that's how it looks like. You can find it anywhere, to be honest, even at Dollar Tree. So it's just a Wet n Wild black liner. So I'm gonna do that right now. And I usually add some highlight on my brow bone and then the inner part of my eye, and I use the same highlight, but I use this e.l.f. small smudge brush. I'm just gonna apply it on my brow bone. So the last thing that I do is just apply some lip gloss, and this one is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Gloss in Supernatural, and then set my makeup with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. We're done. This is my makeup. Oh. This is my makeup. This is what I wear every single day. And if I don't wear like the face makeup, like, you know, the blush, the highlight, the bronzer, the foundation, then I just do my eyebrows and then some lashes and the lip gloss and I'm ready. But usually when I have time, this is what I do. So hopefully you guys like it. Yeah, just a reminder, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go do that. Leave me leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and yeah guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.